Hello again, Team Fantastic. It's delivery day today, and this has just been delivered from Olivo in the UK. And this cost me £25.50, an absolute steal. And it is a clone of that amazing niche fragrance, Nishane Ani. And this is meant to be the #1 clone of it. This is Spectre Ghost by French Avenue. So let's open this up and get into it. And the sides here, got one little bit there. Here we go. Got the styrofoam. Okay, get rid of that. And here we have, oh, here it is, Spectre Ghost by French Avenue. Now, the Nishane Ani is one of the most beautiful ginger vanilla fragrances you can get, but at £300 a bottle, it just is far too expensive. So at £25.50 a bottle, I'm hoping this is going to give me something close for a fraction of that price. And looking at this box, it's just lovely. How do I get into, oh, and it pulls out like so. Lovely presentation. That's really nice, isn't it? I like that. So the box itself, you get the write up on the back, authenticity sticker, Ghost down the side, Spectre, a little bullet, fake bullet stuck in the top there, French Avenue on the top, and as it slides out, you get your fragrance inside. And the fragrance is just housed in there. Take that out if we can. There we go. Box down there. Ooh, and that is a nice bottle. I like that. So you have the bottle looking like it's been indented with the bullet coming into the side there. French Avenue on top of the cap, Ghost down the side, Spectre down the side, French Avenue at the bottom, nothing on the back, and it's a nice presentation. Let's find out what the initial smell is and my reaction to this fragrance. So if the scent is anything like the presentation, then this is going to be an absolute hit right here. Let's take off this cap, plastic cap, but then I paid £25. Get the atomizer the right way, which is an absolute steal. This has been out of stock for so long, and it's just, I can't believe it's took me this long to get this scent. Oh, pressurized atomizer. That's absolutely fantastic. Oh, wow. Okay. In the air. This is coming through the air beautifully. It's spicy and it's green initially off that first blast. Oh, and it has that exact fizzy bergamot that Ani is famous for in the opening. This is beautiful. Oh. And there is a sweetness coming through. But it's this sharp, zesty spice for now that I'm picking up. Beautifully done. Beautiful. If you don't like ginger, you're probably not going to enjoy this fragrance. But if you know what Nishane Ani is, and you love Ani, and you love that beautiful ginger and bergamot, then you are going to love this fragrance. It's absolutely gorgeous. And off my testing of Nishane Ani, this in the opening is already 95% the same. This is fantastic. I can't obviously say about the mid and the dry down yet. That's what we're going to have to go into later on. But right now, the initial impressions is Spectre Ghost in the opening is fantastic. And like I say, to my nose, around 95% the same. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's strong. It's a lot stronger than I thought it would be. I keep putting my hand to my nose and I can smell it in the air. I can smell it right now. This is a strong fragrance. This is really, really well done. And as you've just seen, I've just unboxed this. I've just primed it, sprayed it for the first time. And there's no harshness to it, no synthetics. It's just beautiful. It's literally sillage. Every time I move my arm and speak, it is wafting through the air. This is such a nice smelling fragrance already on that initial spray. My reaction is a very positive one right now. I think this is going to be fantastic. Now here's the thing, with the exception of the amazing few, a lot of clones either nail the opening and then fall apart in the dry down, or they don't match that opening and they get closer as they reach the dry down. I'm just hoping with this one being so close in the open at 95%, that it keeps that up for the whole life of this fragrance, because it is absolutely beautiful at the moment. And one of the things about Spectre Ghost is always been how long it lasts on skin. So is this going to be an hour and then projection and then turn into a skin scent, or is this going to project and last, and only time's going to tell for that one? And are we going to get that beautiful creamy vanilla lemon cake type vibe that you get from that OG? So I'm hoping as you get into that dry down, that starts to come out, and this is amazing, because I really want this to be amazing. £300, $400 for the OG. This is £25 in the UK and around $30 to $40 in the USA. It's an absolute steal. If this does what I want it to do, it is going to be amazing. So with that being said, I'm going to wear this out. I'm going to give this a few days testing, see how it projects, see how it performs, see what compliments I get off it, and see if it really is as close as it started off right now in the gate, because right now this is fantastic. So please, if you can guys, like, subscribe, share, hit the hype button, comment down below if you've got this, how are you finding it? And I'm going to be right back with you with the full review on this scent right here in the next few days. My name is Steve, this is the Scentsory Vault, and for now, the vault, oh, it's good, is closed.